Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Schlesinger. I'm the CEO of Lovely Skin and a board-certified dermatologist here in Omaha, Nebraska. And I'm here with Chrissy Kirsting, who among her many titles is our OnStar talent for unboxing extraordinaire and purchasing manager for Lovely Skin. And we are so excited. We've got this product here.
Very, very exciting. Do you want to say the name or do you want me to say the name?
Why don't we say it together?
Okay.
Silymarin.
Silymarin. Yes, SkinCeuticals Silymarin CF Vitamin C Serum, specifically for oily and blemish-prone skin. Now this is so exciting because they're known for antioxidants, and it's been years since they unveiled a new serum.
And really the idea behind this Silymarin CF is that a lot of people love CE ferulic and cannot get enough of it, but they don't have the perfect situation because they have acne-prone skin. This is for acne-prone skin that wants rejuvenation.
Exactly. So should we talk about the ingredients, or should
Absolutely.
we open it up first?
I have to get into this. I just can't. I've been waiting for this so long. So very exciting. Here's the actual product as it comes out of the box.
Classic amber bottle.
Nice. What it has is Silymarin, a little known fact, but it's also known as milk thistle, St. Mary's milk thistle, blessed milk thistle. It's had a lot of names in its history.
And it's an antioxidant at the heart of it, right? Which helps with the oxidation of oil production on the skin, right?
It can do that. It has been thought to have many benefits, and they've actually tried it out in clinical trials against well-known acne treatments such as doxycycline, salicylic acid. The jury's out on some of these trials. This is a rather new product that we're using for acne, so we will see what happens. But the good news is that it does seem to have some benefit. That's what we're seeing with this product, and I think that the addition of the tried and true vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, 15%, and of course the ferulic acid, 0.5%, it is great.
Right, so you're getting the same exact vitamin C and ferulic acid benefits as you would if you were using CE ferulic, just only in a formula that's really designed more for an oily, blemish-prone skin. I felt it on my hand just before Doctor did, and very lightweight, a nice, lightly scented formula, really hardly much of a scent at all. And
which is quite different than the CE ferulic. That has a scent, I'm going to say.
Exactly, and really absorbs quite quickly. So there's no tacky or residue on the skin after you apply it, which is just great for an oily skin person because they really want it to
very
evaporate.
Light.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this is so exciting to have because I think so many of our patients and customers have acne-prone issues, especially now during the pandemic when we're wearing masks all day long.
Yeah, and this is going to help with maskne because it has a 0.5% salicylic acid in with the antioxidant blend.
Absolutely. I think that's great. Now, the one thing that it does not have in it is tocopherol, which is the vitamin E in CE ferulic. That can be a little acnegenic, and so that's one of the reasons the product doesn't have the E in it. So it's CF plus the Silymarin.
We're really excited at Lovely Skin to be able to launch Silymarin CF, and we can't wait for you guys to try it and let us know what you think about it too.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thanks.